Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Wednesday, September 11th, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning with us for your TF headlines. We start with a road closure. This is going to be Timber Ridge Trail. Will be closed at Osmondson Road. The trail will be closed and passable at the intersection of Osmondson Road for concrete work. Osmondson Road will be open, and Timber Ridge Trail will be open to the west. Residents on Timber Ridge Trail will have access from Woods Edge Road and Green Clover Lane there. But this closure is starting on the 13th, and it runs through the 18th, weather dependent, of course. We'll keep you posted if there's any changes to that, but that is coming up here on the 13th. The 2024 City of Fitchburg's referendum information sessions are coming up here. The dates are set for September 18th at 5:30 p.m. It will be hosted virtually. September 23rd at 6 p.m. Will be hosted out at Redeemer City Church. That's 5356 King James Way in Fitchburg. September 30th at 6 p.m. at City on the Hill Church, 2924 Fish Hatchery Road in Fitchburg. On October 9th, we'll have another virtual meeting. That one's at 12 p.m. And then October 17th at 6 p.m. will be at Fire Station number 32950 South Saline Road in Fitchburg. October 21st at 6 o'clock p.m. Will be hosted at Four Winds Farms, 5735 Adams Road. And then on October 28th at 6 p.m. There'll be a virtual meeting to close out these sessions. You can't make one of the sessions or all the sessions, or you make the sessions and you want to watch the videos, we'll have all these taped. We'll tape them all, and we'll make them available online through our normal avenues, both on our website, on our YouTube channel, and through our channel broadcasts, so you can check those out. And if you want to attend virtually, there will be links set up here soon for the virtual meetings where you can sign in through our website at fitchburgwi.gov. The Teen Center Virtual Workshop will be happening tomorrow night. Did you know the Fitchburg is considering building a teen center? The center might be located near your neighborhood. To learn more, families are invited to join for an upcoming virtual workshop for a potential new teen center in Fitchburg. This event will take place on September 12th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. via Zoom. Family-friendly virtual event offers community members a chance to interact with staff and teens online. It's an opportunity to learn more about the project, which aims to create a safe and vibrant space for youth. We hope to see you there. If you got any questions, you can check in with the consultant. That's engagement at Equity by Design. That's EQTBYdesign.com. If you got questions there. Of course, we have shared the links, as we do with all of our stories, about our website, fitchburgwi.gov, and with our stories on YouTube. Second Harvest Mobile Food Pantry will be back at the Southdale Park this Thursday, September 12th. The Second Harvest Free Food Pantry stops at the Southdale Park and runs for approximately 1 hour until the food is gone, whichever comes first. This free pantry is open to everyone. There is no restrictions, and everybody is welcome who is in need. No ID or registration is required. They'll be at the Southdale Park, which is located at 160 Deer Valley Road, from 12:30 to 1:30 on September 12th. And again, no ID or registration is required. Happening this weekend, we have the Fall Recycling and Shred event here at City Hall. The City of Fitchburg is again hosting Pelletary Waste Systems and Resource Solutions for our recycling event. Gather up to 3 grocery bags of confidential paper for shredding and or your electronics for recycling. Note that batteries are not accepted at this event, so please do not bring your batteries. And you can bring all of this stuff out to the City Hall. Attendees, please enter through the Lacey Road entrance. That'll be the east driveway. There will be signage here. There's a map available as well, and there are some fees associated with some of the electronics, so please check that out before bringing any of your electronics down here. And that information is at our website at fitchburgwi.gov. This event is this Saturday, September 14th, from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. here at City Hall. Public Health of Madison and Dane County will be having a mobile vaccine clinic this weekend. They will be out at the Badger Prairie Needs Network on September 14th. Get full details on vaccines that are offered for this. And there are other dates coming up. So while you may not be able to make it to this mobile vaccine clinic, there are plenty more that are being put on by Public Health of Madison and Dane County. So you can definitely check that out. And finally, we continue our series with Preparing for Disasters, National Preparation Month. Knowing that your contact, who to contact during an emergency is so important. Make sure you have that written down and available and share it with your family when needed.